everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make eggless one bowl mango bun cake. This is one of the easiest cake which can be made in just one bowl, and it's a soft, moist and beautiful looking cake. So let's get started. So I'll start with whisking together my dry ingredients. So into all-purpose flour I have added baking powder. Here goes the baking soda. And now I'm going to whisk all of these together. So once this is mixed, I'm going to add sugar into this. I'm using caster sugar here. And just mix this again. Now make sure it is well blended and have no lumps. Okay. So now is the time to add our wet ingredients into the dry one. So here goes the oil. I'm using canola here. You can use any flavorless oil. And then I've added some vanilla extract into this. And finally, the king ingredient of this recipe, that is mango pulp. So I'm using a fresh mango pulp here. If you cannot get or you don't have fresh mango pulp, you can also use the tinned one. You can see if it's available where you live. So just mix it with your wire whisk. Keep whisking until no dry lumps remain, but do not overbeat, otherwise you'll make the cake tough after it's baked. Okay, it's mixed now. Give the last mix with your spatula. Okay, so now I'm going to transfer the batter in my Bundt pan, which I have greased with butter. Now please grease your Bundt pan properly because you don't want your cake to break when you take it out. Okay, now just level it from top. You know, this cake is a great cake for snacking, and you can also serve it as a dessert after dinner or lunch. So it is great both the ways. Okay, so it's been leveled now. Just give few taps, and now I'm going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 to 60 minutes in a preheated oven. So here is our cake. See how beautiful it is looking. It has a beautiful golden yellowish color. So I'm going to let it cool on the wire rack for 30 to 40 minutes, and after that I'm going to flip it over and take it out. So our cake is cooled now, and I'm going to flip this on my plate and I'll take it out. So here it goes. See how beautiful this cake is, and it came out so easily because I really greased the cake tin very well. So although I'm not in favor of icing this cake because it is yummy as it is, but because I'm taking this cake for my mother and father-in-law's anniversary, so I'll be decorating it a bit. So I'm taking 2 teaspoons of honey to make honey glaze. I'm not using any other thing, just pure honey. And into this I'll be adding some mango flavor from Ohri. This is Alfonso mango flavor from Ohri. I usually buy their sample packs first before buying the bigger bottles. You can go to their website and buy from there, and this is not sponsored. So just give it a mix, and now I'm going to brush this over the top of the cake. If you don't have Bundt tin, you can also bake it in 9-inch square or round cake tin, and you can also keep this cake in an airtight container for around 3-4 days, and you can also freeze the individual slices, and whenever you want to have them, bring it to room temperature 1 to 2 hours before serving. So whoever is new to my channel and watching my video for the first time, a great welcome for you. And if you like this video, do consider subscribing to my channel and sharing my videos with your friends and family. This means a lot, and it is going to help me a lot. And if you want to see any kind of baking or dessert recipes, I would love to hear from you. Do let me know. So after brushing honey over the cake, I have sprinkled some slivered almonds that I was already having at home. And I'm also using some pumpkin seeds and dried cranberries to decorate the cake, because that green and red color is going to pop out of the cake when I'm going to serve them. So now the cake is ready. See, I've not done much, but it's looking really very beautiful. So I hope you like this easy peasy recipe, and if you like it, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and do not forget to share it with your family and friends. And until we meet again, take good care of yourself, and happy baking!